Hello everyone, today we've got here OSCAL Tiger 12 and let me show you how to add Google account. First, open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts and click on add account or on Google, it actually doesn't matter. Because here you've got this panel and once you tap on add account and select Google, you'll enter the same panel. And once you are here, just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is done, tap on next. Click on I agree. Here you've got all Google services. You can activate or deactivate backup and storage, however you prefer, and that's it. As you can see, the account is added. Whenever you want to remove it, just mark it and select remove account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.